Chapter 7. How do we pressurize the fluid in a pipeline? If we look at a hydraulic profile of a pipeline showing pressure along the line, we expect to see the pressure sort of dropping as it goes down the line. But then we get to a pump station or a compressor station and we'll see that it drops, and then at the station it jumps up and then starts dropping again due to friction downstream of there. The pumps and compressors in these stations are what makes modern pipelining possible. They increase the pressure and use a tremendous amount of power in doing so, resulting in a big chunk of the operating costs of the pipeline. Because of that, it's useful to have good simulations of these to both design the pipelines and determine how to efficiently operate them. Pumps are typically driven by electric motors or sometimes by an engine pulling fuel from the pipeline or just running on diesel that's trucked in. And on gas pipelines, they're most commonly operated by turbines driving the compressors by burning gas pulled out of the pipeline, although they can also be operated from electric motors. Read more about pumps and compressors, the various power sources that drive them, and their efficiency in operations in Chapter 7 of the Atmos Book of Pipeline Simulation.